Alright guys, let's go over the study guide multiple choice number 6 together. The function g of x is given by -2 arc sine of square root of that. What input in the domain of g or the output value of square root of 3 over, pi over 3. So I want this whole thing, the output, to be equal to square root of pi over 3. So -2 arc sine of square root of 5x is equal to pi over 3. So that's the first step. Now, if you remember, we want to have a trig ratio by itself. I know we've done only like sine and cosine stuff, but treat the arc sine the same way of isolating. That means we want to get rid of that -2, so I'm going to divide both sides by -2 or multiply by 1 over -2 on both sides. Then I got arc sine of square root of 5x is equal to pi over, well, -6. Don't forget that negative in the front over there. Now, this is the inverse sine. So I'm going to go back to the original, right? So sine of what is equal to what? The input of the arc sine goes to the output goes to the input. So voila, right there. Why are we doing it? Because we're not really familiar with the inverse. We want to put it back to the original. Now look at it. I'm looking at sine of something. Okay, we can do that using the unit circle. Except the problem here is that I don't know -pi over 6. But you do know how to find the coterminal of that, right? So I can add 2 pi to it. Oops. Then I got sine of 11/6 of pi is equal to square root of 5x. What do you guys think about that? Or some of you already knew that -pi over 6 is same as 11/6 of pi. Okay? Now, do you know what sine of 11/6 of pi is? Yes, we know. That's on the unit circle, the y value of the 11/6 of pi. So you put that, right? So y value is 1, -half. So this whole thing is -half is equal to square root of 5x. Now, I just have to solve for it, right? I'm going to square both sides, so 1 over 4. Why am I squaring? To get rid of the square root, by the way. So 5x. And then divide both sides by 5. X is equal to 1 over 20 is what I got.